Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top tips on how designers and artists can make the most out of Taskade. Let's get started. Now here at Taskade, we realize that designers and artists both need a lot of creative features to express their work with themselves or their team members effectively. Taskade provides all those features and more. Now, most of you already know that Taskade works through Workspaces. As designers, you can create a new workspace with your tag or your current project of interest. Now within this workspace, you can create various subspaces to further divide your work and then add your team members project-wise. Inside the subspace, however, is where the magic happens. Here you can create a new project that can either be a pick from Taskade's collection of pre-built workflow templates or a new blank project that you can customize to your liking. Inside these projects, you can add tasks as well as subtasks, add your team members and chat with them on the chat board, and also a video conference to quickly work on some tasks. Why Taskade shines for designers and artists is, however, the attachment feature. As a designer or artist, visual input carries a major part of tasks, and inside Taskade's project you can add and attach pictures or videos per tasks by simply pressing Command +/ or Control +/ if you're on Windows to open up the add-on menu and press the F key to attach files from your device. Taskade currently offers multiple images and MP4 videos per task, and soon an embed feature will be coming soon that will allow users to embed video from sites such as YouTube directly onto their projects and tasks. You can also do the same on the chat board to quickly share ideas among team members. This, along with the real-time features that Taskade offers that allow your entire team to view and edit projects instantly, along with the various viewing options from a list to a mind map view to an action board view to an organizational chart view, make Taskade the very best companion to have for a designer or an artist to manage your workflow and boost your productivity. If you still haven't tried Taskade out, well, what are you waiting for? Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and we will be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.